My name is Henry Hsieh. I attended the International Culinary Program. I am currently the head of operations for two restaurants. One is called Longtail and the other is Wildwood in Taipei, Taiwan. Curious, disciplined, and fun. Capelletti and brodo. Easy. Oh, best time of my life. Hands down. Living here, speaking about food every single day. From the moment you wake up until the moment you sleep. And even when you're dreaming. It was the best time of my life. It's a great honor, but I always say we cook and we run a restaurant because we love what we do, not for the star. Of course, the star means somebody appreciates what we do, and I'm very honored and very happy for that. It makes us want to do better in the future or do more of what we love better.